Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows a case of inguinal hernia. Ultrasound of inguinal hernia. A hernia occurs when an organ or fatty tissue squeezes through a weak spot in the surrounding muscle or connective tissue called fascia. The most common types of hernia are inguinal, inner groin, incisional, resulting from an incision, femoral outer groin, umbilical belly button, and hiatal, the upper stomach. Now you can see the right testes, and the testes looks echomeconormal, but you will see a significant amount of fluid around the testes, right testes, that is hydrocele, and the gut loops coming through the hernia into the testes. An inguinal hernia occurs when tissue such as part of the intestine protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal muscles. The resulting bulge can be painful, especially when you cough, bend over, or lift a heavy object. Now you can see the gut loops in the inguinal canal. Now you can see the fluid, that is hydrocele of the right testes, and gut loops, a fluid and gut loops are seen. The inguinal hernia occurs when tissue such as part of the intestine protrudes through a weak spot in the abdominal muscles. Ultrasound is a non-invasive, non-ionizing radiation modality which is highly successful at soft tissue imaging. Groin pains from an occult hernia can be difficult clinical diagnosis, made easier by good imaging by optimizing the image using depth, focus, and gain. Now you can see the gut loops in the gap created by this hernia. Now you can see these are the gut loops, and I am just asking the patient to cough and you will see the effect of the cough. Now you can see the movements of the gut loops inside this. Again, you can see the patient is coughing and the gap is filled by the gut loops into the scrotum. Now again you are going to see the coughing effect again. This hernia is partially reducible as the patient lies down, and when he stands upright, you can see the maximum gut loops, the maximum area covered by the gut loops and the gap created by this hernia. Now, the ultrasound findings in the inguinal hernia are based on four findings. Number one, herniated gut loops along with some fluid collection at inguinal region. Number two, testes and epididymis pulled up with hernial contents, hydrocele on the respective involved site, and the normal testes on the unaffected site. You can see the gut loops. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.